The Goodman E3 error code signifies compressor overcurrent protection. This means the system's control module has detected excessive current draw from the compressor motor, typically exceeding 15 to 20 amps depending on the model. This safety mechanism activates to prevent motor burnout or electrical fires by monitoring current flow through the compressor circuit. Under normal operation, current flows steadily through the circuit, staying within safe limits of 15 to 20 amps. When overcurrent occurs, the control module detects the excessive draw and triggers the E3 error to shut down the system and protect components. The most common causes of the E3 error include locked rotor, capacitor failure, wiring issues, and refrigerant problems. Locked rotor occurs when the compressor motor fails to start, leading to a surge in current as the motor stalls. Capacitor failure happens when run capacitors degrade, leading to unbalanced power supply and overcurrent draw. Wiring issues, such as short circuits or loose connections, can cause voltage spikes leading to overcurrent. Refrigerant problems, like low levels, increase the compressor's workload, indirectly causing overcurrent. We will be diagnosing how to fix these issues in this video. To fix the E3 error, start by power cycling the system. This involves turning off the power to the unit for a few minutes, then turning it back on to reset any temporary faults. Next, inspect the compressor's capacitors for bulging or leakage. Capacitors are cylindrical components that can fail over time. Look for any swelling, cracks, or fluid leakage, which are common causes of overcurrent. Use a multimeter to measure voltage at the compressor terminals. For 230 volts models, the voltage should be around 208 to 240 volts. This ensures the electrical supply is stable and not causing overcurrent. Check refrigerant pressures using appropriate gauges. Low refrigerant levels can increase compressor workload, leading to overcurrent. Ensure pressures are within manufacturer specifications. For advanced diagnostics, test compressor windings for resistance using a multimeter. Resistance should typically be 1 to 5 ohms per phase. This checks for electrical faults in the compressor motor. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the compressor or control board may need replacement. This requires professional service, as improper handling can cause electrical hazards. Many E3 errors are preventable with regular tune-ups and maintenance, including proactive capacitor replacements every 5 years. If you aren't comfortable working with electricity, consult a qualified technician to prevent damages. The rising use of smart home technologies hopes to prevent E3 errors through predictive maintenance, using AI-integrated systems to anticipate faults via sensor data.